Hello students, I am going to let you know how to write the JNTUH Engineering Graphics exam. As I told that this is the booklet which they are going to provide you and how you are supposed to utilize. As I am getting many questions that whether any extra booklet will be provided. No dear students, they are going to give only this booklet. Now, how you are supposed to cover all the 5 questions in the booklet. Let us look into this sheet. Look at the standard way of drawing and the usage of pencils and different types of pencils like H pencil, HB pencil as well as 2H, and look at the standard of division of a line and as well as the write-up of dimension, the way how the student have written the letters and the numbers and full neatness of the sheet and calculation of the certain part of this theta. Why? Because this is a cycloid. Dear students, you are supposed to write like this. Neat handwriting plays a very good role. Why? Because bad lettering gives a bad impression to the good drawings. Now let us look at the another question. See the division and splitting of the drawing sheet. How well the students have written. This is line inclined to both the planes. Look at that. This is the true length. That should be highlighted as the student have done here. This in HB pencil, and look at the dimensioning standard and look at the arrowheads and look at the writing. These all are very important to score 25 marks out of 25 if this question is asked. And even look at the title, how the student has furnished very neatly and writing the theta and alpha and pi beta values along with XY line representation and VPHP representation too. If you are going to work out like this, I can assure you dear students, you are going to get out mark. And let's look, the student have attempted one more question. For example, if you are forgetting to write the question number, you are supposed to write the question number like this and round off this. For example, it is A, make sure to write even A also. This is nothing but an ellipse which is of parallelogram method. Look at the standard, look at the dimension, look at the neatness, look at the spacing of one drawing to the another drawing, how well the student have furnished all the details in a given sheet. Now let us look at one more drawing here. This is all about the projection of points on a single reference line. One of the very important question that may be the 4th question or 3rd question as per the question paper. Look dear students, here as it is a point need to be highlighted, not the line and not the dimension line. All the time the dimension line should be placed at some distance from the main part of the drawing, and try to write the dimension values to the right side of the diagram and make sure that the lettering and the numbering standard to be very neat throughout the drawing sheet. And look at here, the dimension values are written in same size, equal size, and writing A prime, I mean C dash is nothing but the front view, C is the top view. So look at the handwriting of the student also. Dear students, as I was telling you all the time that good drawings are being spoiled by bad lettering, and do not forget to write all dimensions are in mm on the top of the sheet. This is how you are supposed to plan working out all the drawings in a given sheet, whereas this is the sheet which is being provided by the university. You can draw a one big diagram here and the second diagram if it is a scale, and you are going to get one more diagram here. In each sheet you can draw two diagrams, and whereas you can draw 3D to 2D conversion, placing your sheet vertical and try to draw the margins and draw the top view, I mean the front view, top view as well as the side views, and make a write-up very neatly. I am going to show you one more problem on, let this be the 8th question, I mean the 6th question as per our question paper. Look at the standard of the drawing. This is the front view and this is the top view and this is the side view. Coming to 3D to 2D conversion, you are supposed to draw front view above the reference line and below the reference line to be a top view, and towards the left that is the right side view. And if it is as the left side view, you are supposed to draw this side dear students. And do not forget to mention the dimensions in engineering graphics and do not write mm. And let's look at one more problem here for make you better understanding. See dear student, he has written even the top view, front view and right side view were asked in the examination, and do not forget to highlight the important points. points in HB pencil, and dimension line, projection line, arrowheads, these all to be drawn XY line in H pencil only. This is how you are supposed to draw when a 3D to 2D is given in the examination paper. All the complete problem need to, the entire complete problem need to be towards one side of the drawing sheet. Dear students, you utilize the complete drawing sheet which is given for you in the examination. Try to draw in a complete sheet, putting the question number 6, the front view, the top view and the side views together, and you are not supposed to draw front view here, the side view, the top view here and the side view in the next page, or you are not supposed to draw front view here and the top view in the next page. It doesn't make any sense in engineering graphics. Make sure to carry all your instruments and all the drawing sheets. Now let's look at the one more problem here, how neatly the student have done the intersection of prism versus prism as well as cylinder versus cylinder. Make sure to draw in such a manner to score out of our mark. Dear students, utilize your pencils in highlighting the dashed lines, thin lines as well as the final lines which are being drawn in HB pencil. Do not forget to mention the units. If it is a diameter, you are supposed to mention pi before the diameter, and if it is just the length, write only the length and do not write the millimeter, as I told you all the time to put mm on the top of the drawing sheet, and try to write the notes of the complete diagram, that is nothing but intersection of cylinder versus cylinder if it is asked in the exam. Similarly, the other problem also being taken into consideration. This is how you are supposed to work out in the engineering graphics to score out of mark. Dear students, make sure all the students are following my points and they are going to work out the problems in this fashion. Look at the neatness of all the diagrams here. You are supposed to work out so neat to get cent per mark in engineering graphics. Dear students, hope you all are working and utilize your booklet also. The booklet which is given for you in the examination is to calculate the scales, concepts. I mean there will be a RF to be calculated in the given booklet which is given for you, and you can work out the sample problems. Rough sketches can be done in the booklet which is given for you. Let us look at the problem of scales also, how neat the write-up of the units are being done and how the RF value is done and what kind of scale is also written in this particular area. Dear students, if this sheet is given for you, see how the student have made the spacing and have drawn 4 diagrams where 2 more diagrams can be also fit in this. Make sure to draw the scales very neatly. I urge all the students that the scales concept is for sure 100% you are going to get in this examination. Look at the units. This is the primary unit, this is the secondary unit, and the RF to be calculated in the booklet, not in the drawing sheet, and the RF to be written exactly below the scale, and write down what kind of scale it is. If it is a plane scale, put the plane scale. If it is a diagonal, put the diagonal scale. This is all about the scales, dear students. Hope you are understanding what I am telling you all, and I am letting you know more tips through shorts in the coming videos. Please do follow and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, please try to put it in the comment box. I am going to give few important topics also in the comment box in the form of shorts. You have enough time to get the clarity information on engineering graphics. Please do comment and do subscribe and share these videos to all your friends. Hope you are working well. Good luck and all the best for your exams. Thank you.